If you can't access your Apple account, don't worry. You can recover your Apple ID in a few simple steps. First, go to the Apple ID login screen. Enter your Apple ID email address. If you forgot your password, tap the Forgot Password option. This will open the account recovery page. Enter your Apple ID again if asked. Tap Continue to proceed. You will now see verification options. Choose the option that works best for you. You may receive a code by email or phone. Check your email inbox for the verification code. Enter the code on the screen. Once verified, you can reset your password. Create a new strong password. Make sure it is secure and easy to remember. Confirm the new password. Tap the reset button to finish. Now return to the login page. Enter your Apple ID and new password. If everything is correct, you will log in successfully. After logging in, check your account settings. Make sure your recovery information is up to date. You can also enable two-factor authentication. This adds extra security to your account. Recovering your Apple account is simple if you follow these steps carefully.